Hi, today we will discuss how to work with Revolve tool. We can find Revolve tool on the Create tab on the Forms panel. Before when we start work with Revolve tool, we need to know how it works. We need to draw axis line and then draw some profile. Click on the Revolve. Here we have many options how to create the geometry. For example, I choose line to create the sketch and draw some sketch like this. Escape. If I try to click on the green check mark now, I'll get an error because I didn't draw axis line. I need to draw axis line. I can draw this line like this. I have interval between my axis line and boundary line. If I click on the green check mark and switch to 3D view, I can see my geometry with a hole. Back to the reference level and click on the out geometry to edit. Click here, edit revolve. If we have some interval between axis line and boundary line, this interval will become a hole of our geometry. I can draw my sketch without interval, and if I click on the green check mark now and switch to 3D view, my geometry doesn't have any hole. Back to the reference level, click on the geometry and click Edit Revolve. We also have some rules and some options when we draw the sketch and axis line, the sketch of our geometry and axis line. The first rule is that we need to draw closed form. Click on the green check mark. If I didn't draw closed form, I'll get the error. And if my lines will intersect each other, and I click on the green check mark, I also get an error. Continue. And if my axis line will intersect my sketch, and I click on the green check mark, I also get the error. And we have some options when we create the geometry. The first option is I can draw smaller sketch within my main sketch, and I can draw more than one sketch. Click on the green check mark, switch to 3D view, and now we can see our geometry. And when we clicked on the geometry, we can see the inner hole. It doesn't make sense because we don't see this hole, this inner hole. Back to the reference level, click Edit Revolve, and we can delete this hole because we don't see this hole on any view. And click on the green check mark. Click on the geometry to select. On the left side, we have properties of our geometry. Switch to 3D view and stop an angle like this. That's all what you need to know about Revolve tool. Thanks for watching, and on the next lesson we will talk about sweep tool.